In this video, I'm going to be showcasing and telling the story of how me and a friend found a cave on accident. Make sure to stick around for the story of what we saw come out of the cave. What's up guys, it's Young Woo and welcome to my first video. We're going to this cave that me and my buddy actually found, and I'm going to be telling you guys the story of how me and my buddy actually found it. I also wanted this video to kind of be like a what's up to YouTube kind of thing, like what I kind of want my channel to be about, all that kind of stuff. So get to the first part, which is the railroad. So the way that me and my buddy actually found this cave was completely on accident. We were bored at the crib, had nothing to do, and we literally knew that there was a tunnel over here, and we were like, dude, let's go to the fucking tunnel. I don't know. The tunnel's actually down here. Hold on, I don't even think you guys can see that. So the tunnel's actually right there. We literally came over here from that road and threw our bikes like over here. Definitely not the best, but we walked a little ways down the railroad track and then just saw this like little bank. Yeah, so we actually went up right there, but found out later that that wasn't the quickest way to get to the cave. Decided to create a detour, a little quicker way. Oh my God. There it is, bro. There she is. This thing that we found on accident, bro. Like, bro, and I know y'all want to go inside. I actually am kind of hesitant too. Yeah, funny story. One time a bobcat actually came out of here. I'll show you that clip real quick.
Oh my God, there's a fucking bobcat. There's a fucking bobcat. It's gonna attack.
But yeah, a literal bobcat came out of this bitch. Get you a little showing. I'm not gonna go like all the way in the cave because it's hella wet, but as you can see, there's a little bit of trash. I haven't confirmed if a homeless man lives down here because I don't know if you can see that. There's a bench thing, or not a bench, like the things you lay down on. And also, it's honestly a pretty deep cave. Like it goes down there a little bit. Shit. Posted up in a cave for real. Dude, I love this thing. It's so beautiful. Like, look at it, bro. We're actually gonna go up top. So that's how we found it on accident. We literally sat up here, was chilling, and then hopped down and see that the cave is literally we just chilled on a cave. Like, it was so wild. So now, we're on top. So I also wanted to talk about the kind of content that I want to create. As you can tell, I have a very adventurous personality, I guess you could say. I've always loved going on adventures. I also love to travel, so I want to go to, you know, the places I've always wanted to go to all the beaches, all the monuments, all the places I want to go in life, and document everything and show you guys as well. That's the adventure and the travel part to it, but I also have another side. I also have the adrenaline part that goes with the adventure part, and that's going to be more like, I love sports. Like, I love sports, random skills, and just flips and jumps and shit, and I've already got stuff planned. We'll see how it goes. I really just wanted to get this first video out of the way and see what it's like. But yeah, adventure and adrenaline. It's how I kind of want to incorporate everything, how I want to run the channel and the type of content. Also, if you guys have content that you think you'd like to see, just ask me, put it in the comments. All right, yeah, I think we out. You guys know if you want me to come back to the cave. This shit's gonna be gas. But yeah, that's the cave that me and my homie found on accident. And there she is, bro. Let's start walking back. So you guys, that's basically about it. I just wanted to kind of put this video out here and kind of give y'all a general idea of what I kind of want my target audience to be, what I kind of want to make content about and stuff like that. Yeah, if you're new, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Peace. Bro, I'm literally back to my whip. I might have lost my fucking keys, bro. Video might not be over. I might have just lost my keys. What the fuck? Oh, they're in my car, dude. I was about to be pissed, bro. Oh my gosh. They're right there, dude. Oh, I was about to say, bro, part 2 coming out a lot sooner than we expected, bro. Bro, I thought I was about to have to go back there and just look for that shit, search for that shit, but nah. In the whip, so we're good. Nah, for real though. Be safe.